Hello everybody, Pretzels and the Bear here, and today we're doing something. I have no idea actually.
This is a different video. We have done videos like this in the past, but a little bit differently. In the past, like the first month we started YouTube, I would order one item and we would try it and give a vegan versus non-vegan review of that. This is a blind unboxing. So Bear has no idea what's in all of these Amazon boxes. We have 4 boxes. Well, 3 boxes in a bag.
Is there any non-vegan stuff in here?
No, it's all vegan.
So it's a vegan mystery box video.
Yes.
Okay. So, I guess we just dive right in. We have 4 packages. They sound... This one sounds kind of weak sauce. So I don't know how many things are in here. I'm assuming she's not going to tell me.
Nope.
And we got this little thingy. Since we're baby YouTubers, we don't have a cool unboxing knife yet, so we're just going to have to go with the little cute Swiss Army knife. I used to be a Boy Scout. Don't judge me.
Eventually, if we keep doing these videos, we'll get a good knife.
Oh no, I'm buying a good knife. This is an excuse now. We're going to do more of these just for that. Because, you know, why can't we do YouTube and still be self-serving at the same time? So do I get to pick? Or are you going to pick for me?
No, you can pick.
Always cut away from yourself, kids. Mind your thumbs. There's nothing spicy in here, is there?
I don't remember.
Oh, God. Okay, so we have...
And the first thing is spicy.
Spicy. Crazy Go Nuts Superfood Snack. All natural gourmet buffalo walnut, because buffalo walnuts is naturally occurring in nature. And then we have some cauliflower. Why would you ruin pretzels with cauliflower?
I don't see a problem with cauliflower pretzels. Buffalo, like a spicy chicken wing, but without all the dead birds. I already like this packaging. Okay.
That's a little vegan check mark. And they're gluten-free.
Loaded with omega-3s.
Because that's what I'm worried about right now. My daily dose of omega-3s. Doesn't smell that spicy. It looks spicy though.
Probably not spicy.
But down in that bag, it just looks like death. Ladies first. Did you wash your hands? Mm-hmm. Wash your hands, people.
They just look like regular walnuts. There's like nothing special about these.
No? Let's just do this. Interesting.
Oh, there's a fire. Woo! These are really good. Like at first, it just tastes like you're eating a walnut. Like whatever. And then all of a sudden, bam, in your face. It heats like right here in the front of your throat. You don't feel anything, do you?
I feel nothing. Just like inside.
It's pretty delicious.
They're tasty. It just tastes like 322 milligrams of sodium. It just tastes like a salty walnut to me.
It does taste
There's a little
salty.
bit of spice. I'm not gonna mess with you. It's like a 0.5, maybe
Ooh.
1 out of 10 on the spice scale.
I give it like a 3 or 4 on the spice scale.
As far as the snack scales go, they're not bad. I don't know if I probably eat like maybe a 1 or 2 at a time and then move on. It's not something that I would snack on all the time, but it doesn't taste horrible. 2.5 out of 5 claws.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, well, I guess these are gonna go to the bottom of the scale. Now for these, they're both the same, but they're just different shapes. So like this is your traditional pretzel, and then those are the sticks.
Made with real veggies, unlike fake veggies.
Made with real cauliflower.
Cauliflower pretzels, because apparently bread is too good for some people.
I mean, it's like a healthier snack, I feel.
Okay.
Real food from the ground up. I'll have to check and see what how much better this is than regular pretzels for you. Just so we can do a little comparison.
Probably less salty. It smells like cauliflower.
It smells like fish food.
No, it smells
like literal fish food.
It smells like cooked cauliflower. Little stickies. Needs dip.
I like the stickies. What type of pretzel do you like? Put in the comments. Do you like the sticks or do you like the traditional twist?
Soft.
Oh, it tastes weird.
It tastes like cauliflower.
It tastes like it smells. It tastes like the smell of fish flakes. With a little bit of like a bready taste to it.
Not my favorite. I wouldn't buy these.
Maybe
it might be better
sauce.
with some dip, but
yeah.
if you're really sensitive to smells,
You're
probably not going to be a fan. 1.5 out of 5 plus.
Yeah, I would definitely put these behind the buffalo walnuts.
Let's try this innocent looking one. And we have double chunk dark chocolate banana brittle. Haven't I had something like this similar before?
I know there's the brownie brittle that they sell at Costco, but I don't believe that brownie brittle is vegan. This is.
Oh, well, so banana, the super banana snack, double chunk dark chocolate plant-based organic thin crispy banana brittle made with coconut oil. Wow, it's a mouthful. Hopefully it's an actual delightful mouthful. You want to open this one? Princess strength?
It's purple. It's my favorite color.
That's why. What we got?
135 calories per 3.5 pieces.
3. People got to get up with their serving sizes. I'm not going to measure out 3.5 pieces. I'm not even going to count. It smells good.
It does.
Much better than the last one.
It does smell like banana. Little flakies on it.
Little flakies. So, just do a bare bite.
Ooh. It tastes like granola.
Okay.
I like this.
Like a chocolate banana crunch. This I approve of. I like it. I want more.
Contains almonds and coconuts.
So the shavings on top where it's coconut shavings.
Yeah. Which makes sense.
Now I can taste it.
Because it's cooked in coconut oil too. Yeah, it's got a tiny little flavor of coconut. I don't like coconut, but I can definitely do this.
4 to 5 plus.
I'm going to put this one in front of the walnuts, I think.
This is a bitty box. Got a lot of stuff in here. Okay.
Yeah.
We have not a lot of stuff. So, a Drizzlicious birthday cake bites. They are
Rice
cakes with chia, quinoa, and flex. Now you can have your cake and eat it too. Mad at that. And then
I thought you might like that.
organic Annie's. Annie's makes everything.
You really do.
Really peel fruit tape. So
Fruit by the
vegan
foot.
fruit by the foot?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that fruit by the foot wasn't vegan.
It's gelatin. They put animal pieces
Like
in
most of you, before meeting the princess, I didn't read label ingredients.
No, they're cute little snack baggies.
Yeah, like little
So you can snack on them. 90 calories a bag.
Open her up.
Oh, they're so cute. Ooh, they smell like puffs. Like the pirates.
Smaller than I thought. Oh,
Yeah,
but they
they're
got
super tiny.
sprinkles on them. Super.
I got a double one.
Yeah, you can see that right there. I think you can see that. There you go. But yeah. All right. Well, not gonna lie. It tastes like cake.
It tastes like cake.
I'm getting 9 calories.
You know what this reminds me of? Cookie Crisp. If it was birthday cake flavored.
It's just a lot better than Cookie Crisp.
I haven't had Cookie Crisp in like more than 10 years.
Probably me as well, but these are good.
I like these. I think I'm gonna put these before the
It's probably my favorite.
Yeah.
So far. I give that one 4.5 to 5 plus. That is delicious. The Really Peel Organic Fruit Tape Variety Pack. Strawberry and berry. Made with goodness. And real fruit juices. And fruit juice. And no artificial flavors. No, okay. Well, I get that. The real fruit. I don't need to be told all this stuff. Alright, just to eat.
Are we splitting one?
No.
I don't know how this works. I grabbed a strawberry.
You've never had fruit by the foot before?
I wasn't allowed to growing up.
So, how do you guys eat your fruit by the foot?
There's different ways.
Oh, yes. Let them in the comments. So, you can peel the tape.
It smells good.
And eat it a little bit at a time. So, like, in little like pieces, just like that. Or, like us real gluttons, you can...
What?
unroll the whole thing and just take it off. Just like that.
I can't do that.
Because you have no patience whatsoever, just ball that thing up and just throw it in your mouth. Just like that.
Here I am, like, making it all special, like a roll of spaghetti.
I'd say that tastes pretty darn close. Your fruit by the foot. I actually said that it's actually a little bit juicier tasting.
It actually reminds me of a Persian treat called lavash. Lavash is basically like a sheet of this fruit stuff, so they have better flavors, I think. Like, I love pomegranate lavash.
Persians do everything better. It's tasty. I would give this a 4 to 5 plus.
Would you put it in front of the birthday cake bites?
For the birthday cake.
All right.
In front of that.
Another spicy thing.
Oh, this is just blasphemy. I might walk off camera. So, Veggie? Am I pronouncing this right? Veggie? Is it veggie?
Veggie.
So, veggie.
Like jerky, but
shiitake
veggie.
mushroom jerky. Spicy. And you can see them spices.
I gotta say, I thought this bag was gonna be bigger. I want to say that bag was like $11.
I mean, well, jerky is expensive, period. So that's not really $11 for a bag of jerky is not hella expensive.
Okay.
It's more than I would want to pay, but it's not unusual.
Vegan ain't boring.
Vegan ain't boring. Okay. Well, committed to bringing vegan food without compromising taste and quality, which is exactly what we're about. So that works.
I'm nervous for this one. I don't like mushrooms. I see a bunch of red pepper flakes in there, so I feel like...
I don't really know what that smells like.
That does not smell like spice. That smells like cinnamon almost.
So it's more like stringy jerky.
So this does, I mean, I've never had beef gum before, but it does look like jerky, I think.
Yeah, looks like it. Consistency feels a lot softer than jerky. Less jerky-y. But
it is squishy a little bit.
Let's find out. I like things that grow on the earth.
I'm scared.
It's definitely got a mushroom consistency. But without seeing Bugs Bunny. I do not think the princess likes this.
I had to spit it out. I do not like. That's nasty.
I'll be real. I don't hate it.
It's
I don't
nasty.
love it. It's definitely never, ever going to replace jerky for me. I love jerky. like beef jerky, I like chicken jerky, I like turkey jerky, I like fish jerky. This is fish jerky. And apparently I also like mushroom jerky. Now mushroom jerky is definitely the bottom of those jerkies. Or like my jerky.
My mouth is on fire too.
It is legitimately spicy. I would give it like a 3.5, 4 out of 10 on the heat scale. As far as the jerky itself goes, it doesn't look to be any healthier than the normal jerky, so I can't see why I'd ever eat this.
Because you're vegan and you miss jerky?
I give it 3.5 out of 5 claws.
There's another jerky brand I've had before that I actually did like, but it was super pricey. So I'm gonna put this
3.5 is what I gave that one. But
I'm gonna put this next to the cauliflower chips.
So that has been our first ever vegan snack mystery box. We like mystery boxes. If you guys like mystery boxes, you know how to let us know. Maybe we'll
20 likes.
20 likes. We'll do more than this.
Come on, guys, give us 20 likes.
Give me 30 likes, and I will buy a really scary knife for the next unboxing.
You said you would buy it anyway.
I probably still made a video. I'm just telling that. But this is fun, actually. I like this format. If you guys want to see more like this, like I said, let us know in the comments. We always love to hear from you guys. It's your support and your interaction that lets us keep doing these and allows us to keep doing these.
Stay safe at home, guys, and
wash your hands.
Yes.
So, until next time, hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this. And
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl. Okay, packaging. Gonna hurt myself. I'm gonna do it. I got this. I got this. I got this.
I have nails, weirdo. Well, you didn't tear it properly.
I tore it on the tear marks.
There you go.